Hello everyone and welcome back to the Preserving Cinema channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing another Best Buy exclusive 4K limited edition collectible steelbook. It's going to be for Marvel's Avengers Endgame. Here we have the front. Spine here. We have the back. Got these special features here that's inside the Blu-ray here. Okay then, so let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. Clean front with the Marvel logo with the Avengers here. We have more of the Avengers on the back. So let's go ahead and open this up. Get the digital code out. Here we actually have the 4K here on top. We have the Blu-ray here on the left, and we have a bonus disc in there as well. I love that it's got Robert Downey Jr., Scarlett Johansson in there with some signatures. Very cool. Here's the bonus disc and the 4K disc artwork here. Okay. And there's the artwork for the Blu-ray. And there we go. The Best Buy exclusive collectible steelbook for Marvel's Avengers Endgame. If you guys could give this video a like, and I would appreciate that. Until next time, take care.